Hello and welcome to C IELTS. Today we are going to discuss writing task 2 in detail. Majority of the video will be in Punjabi language as it is aimed for the students of Punjab. The question which I have taken says, in spite of the advances made in agriculture, many people around the world still go hungry. Agriculture ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਬਾਵਜੂਦ, in spite of the ਮਤਲਬ ਦੇ ਬਾਵਜੂਦ, advances means ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਐਗਰੀਕਲਚਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਬਾਵਜੂਦ ਕਾਫੀ ਲੋਕੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਜੇ ਵੀ ਭੁੱਖੇ ਰਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। The two questions are being asked, why is this case and what can be done about this problem? ਇਹਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ solution ਕੀ ਨੇ? So this is a type cause solution essay in which you have to make 4 paragraphs. The introduction, first body paragraph will have 2 causes, second body paragraph will have 2 solutions, and the last one is conclusion. The time limit is 40 minutes and the word limit is 250 to 280. In my whole writing, I will be explaining these paragraphs by making a comparison of the 6 bands writing with the band score of 7. Let's start with the introduction. In this modern era, many developments are made in the field of agriculture, but still many people of the world do not get food to eat. So you must have seen I have paraphrased the lines in a very simple language. The thesis statement, I will discuss both the causes of the situation and the solution to solve them. Now upgrading this introduction to 7 bands, it is irrefutable. Irrefutable means anything which is undeniable, which is a fact. ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਜੋ ਸੱਚਾਈ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਫੈਕਟ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ irrefutable ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. You can use it in other writings as well. It is irrefutable that famine has become a menace in many nations across the globe. Famine ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜੀ food shortage ਨੂੰ, food ਦੀ ਘਾਟ ਨੂੰ. Menace ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਜੀ serious ਕੋਈ problem ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ menace ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So famine has become a menace in many nations across the globe. Regardless of, the question was mentioning about the word in spite of. I have paraphrased it with regardless of. Regardless of the breakthrough in the field of agriculture. Breakthrough, again the same thing. The word was advances and here I have mentioned breakthrough. So now the thesis statement, this disturbing trend happens due to 2 significant factors, while some practical ways could be followed to fix this issue. To solve them, to fix, practical ways, solutions, causes is factors over here. Moving further to the body paragraph 1. Now in the first body paragraph, we are going to explain 2 causes. Look at the first line. To begin with, there are 2 major reasons why people starve even when a lot of inventions are made in the field of agriculture. Now again I have paraphrased the word go hungry, loki bhukhe reh rahe ne, with the word starve, and there are advances in the agriculture. I have written there are inventions. Look at the first cause. Firstly, the resources are not equally distributed. What does it mean? Somewhere the resources are more, somewhere the resources are less. I will be explaining this cause in the next line. Majority of farmers are poor and they are not able to afford the expensive equipments of farming. Resources हर जगह नहीं मिल रहे. क्यों नहीं मिल रहे? ज़्यादातर ਜਿਹੜੇ farmers ਨੇ ਉਹ ਗਰੀਬ ਨੇ and they are not able to buy the costly, the expensive equipments of farming. Adding another point to the same idea, moreover, bad weather sometimes destroy crops. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਕਾਰਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋ ਕੀ ਰਿਹਾ? As a result, farmer produce less output. So you can see that firstly I have written a cause, then I have explained that idea, then I have given that result. Look at the coherence. The first line is mentioning the cause the second line is mentioning that cause only, the third line is adding to the second line, and the last line is telling the result. This is how you organize and link your writing. The second cause. Secondly, a lot of food is wasted in marriage parties. बहुत ज़्यादा food waste हो रहा है। ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋਏ furthermore, people do not consume whole food in restaurants. ਲੋਕੀ restaurants ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਖਾਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਾ ਰਹੇ. Now explaining these ideas, leftover food is thrown into dustbins and people do not try to recycle the wasted food. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫੂਡ ਬਚ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰੀਸਾਈਕਲ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ. ਹੁਣ ਇੰਨੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਫੂਡ ਦੀ ਵੇਸਟੇਜ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦਾ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਕੀ ਆਏਗਾ? ਇਹਦਾ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਆਏਗਾ ਜੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਾਧਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਮਹਿੰਗਾਈ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ, ਹਰ ਫੂਡ ਆਈਟਮ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਏਗਾ and it will again cause problems for the poor. So again, I have written a cause, then I have explained it, and I have given a result that is about the question only, that people are not able to get the food to eat. Look at this 7 bands body paragraph 1. Conspicuously. It means clearly. You can use this word in the beginning of your body paragraph 1. Clearly, food scarcity. Scarcity ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ shortage, food ਦੀ ਘਾਟ, ਜੋ ਸਾਡਾ topic ਹੈ. Food shortage occurs owing to ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ due to. Food shortage occurs due to the uneven distribution of resources. Now look, in band score 6 I have used the first line, but in band score 7 I have skipped that. I've started with the first reason only and paraphrased the word not equally distributed by saying there is uneven distribution of resources. Explaining this reason, although sophisticated equipment has been introduced to fasten the farming. Although ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਭਾਵੇਂ, sophisticated equipment ਮਤਲਬ advanced equipment, expensive equipment has been introduced ਮਤਲਬ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਆਂਦੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ. To fasten the farming ਮਤਲਬ farming ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਵਧੀਆ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੇਜ਼ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ. ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਇੰਸਟਰੂਮੈਂਟਸ farming ਨੂੰ ਤੇਜ਼ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਲਿਆਂਦੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ. The majority of cultivators who are impoverished. Impoverished means poor, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗਰੀਬ ਨੇ, are not able to afford them, resulting in poor productivity. Look, these lines are similar to the lines in the 6 bands body paragraph 1. But here it was given in detail and in a simple language. But in 7 bands I have made a complex sentence by using although, writing a sentence, then a comma, and again writing the another sentence. It was as a result over here I am using resulting and adding the result in the same line. The line regarding bad weather is written in the next line. The situation is exacerbated. Exacerbated means ਹੋਰ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. It is getting worsened by adverse weather conditions. It was bad weather here. I've written adverse weather condition. The situation is exacerbated by adverse weather conditions. Secondly, it is a well-known fact that humongous chunks of food are wasted not only in the lavish wedding parties but also in the restaurants. The 2 lines of the 6 bands writing are made into 1 line by using not only and but also. I have paraphrased the word marriage parties also with the word lavish wedding parties. When you add any adjective to the word, that is also a paraphrasing. Explaining this idea, in other words, leftover food after the event goes into the bins, that is dustbins, without being recycled, causing a hike in the food prices. Hike means there is an increase. You can see the difference in 6 bands. The sentences are mainly similar, but in 7 bands I'm using complex sentences. I am paraphrasing by using synonyms also, by using passive voice also. The students who haven't understood the 7 bands writing are requested to watch the video again. I will be adding the tough words in the description also. Now moving to the second body paragraph. The second body paragraph, it will have 2 solutions, and students, these solutions should be according to the 2 causes that you gave in the first body paragraph. It starts with, however, this problem can be solved by following some steps. The major solution is government should provide loans to farmers so that they can use advanced methods. This will help them to produce better crops which will not get damaged by the weather. So this is the solution to the problem that we mentioned in the body paragraph 1, that farmers are poor, so they are not able to afford expensive equipment. Second solution. Another way is authorities must put a heavy fine on the wastage of food. They should make strict rules to check the food wastage in restaurants. Moreover, they should organize seminars to aware people about recycling of food. So this is the solution to the food wastage that we mentioned in the body paragraph 1. So you can see the solutions are according to the causes only. Now upgrading this body paragraph to 7 bands. Nevertheless, there are some effective remedies to curb this threatening problem. To get the paraphrasing, nevertheless the matlab hunda ji फिर भी in Punjabi language. It is similar to the word however. Effective remedies is similar to steps, but look, I have paraphrased the word steps with remedies, and then I have used an adjective, that is effective. जेडे solutions ने वो effective ने. Curb, it simply means to solve. Then threatening problem, it was problem in 6 bands body paragraph 2. The word is paraphrased by using an adjective, that is threatening, meaning dangerous. One possible measure could be providing low interest loans along with easy installment to the farmers so that they can avail the state of the art techniques to produce weather resistant crops. So major solution is one possible measure here. Then use advanced methods is paraphrased by using a word avail, which means use to take the benefit of. Advance is state of the art. Methods is techniques. Here a separate line was formed to give the result. But in 7 bands body paragraph 2, complex sentence is formed by joining both the lines. Weather resistant crops means the crops which will not get damaged by weather. Another feasible solution is to impose a strict penalty for the misuse of the food. Feasible means practical. It was another way over here, paraphrased with another feasible solution. To put a heavy fine is to impose a strict penalty. Wastage of food, misuse of the food. Now there are 2 lines in the body paragraph 2 of the 6 bands writing. I will be joining both these lines and making it as a complex sentence. Apart from, now starting the line from here, make strict rules, making stringent measures to check the food wastage, to monitor the waste of the hotels. Organize seminars using passive voice of this line. Awareness seminars must be conducted to provide insight into, to aware people, to provide insight into recycling of unconsumed food. ਨਾਓ ਦ ਕਨਕਲੂਜਨ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜੀ ਨਿਚੋੜ, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਨਿਚੋੜ ਕੱਢਦੇ ਹੋ। In this you have to restate your ideas by paraphrasing and you don't have to add any new idea. To conclude, despite advanced technology ਦੇ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਬਾਵਜੂਦ many people remain hungry because modern farming is expensive and food is not properly consumed in restaurants. So these were the two ideas of the body paragraph 1. However, the issue can be controlled by providing loans to farmers and taking strict steps against food wastage so that more food is provided and its price remains low. So these are the solutions of the body paragraph 2. You can see the ideas are restated, but there is less paraphrasing because it is the band score of the 6. Now look at the 7 bands conclusion. To recapitulate, which means to conclude, the inability of farmers to access the new techniques. Inability ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜੀ ਅਸਮਰਥ। farmers ਅਸਮਰਥ ਨੇ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਟੈਕਨੀਕਸ ਨੂੰ यूज़ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ। excess is use. Together with careless attitude of hotels. careless ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਲਾਪਰਵਾਹ। hotels ਲਾਪਰਵਾਹ ਨੇ, they are not checking the food wastage. both these reasons leads to dearth of food. dearth ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ shortage ਹੈ, food ਦੀ ਘਾਟ ਹੈ। However, the issue can be addressed by rendering subsidies to farmers and taking strict steps to check wastage. Addressed is controlled, rendering subsidies is providing loans. So that's it for today's video. Hope you have liked it. If you have any doubt still, you can ask in the comments. I will be posting the vocabulary in the description. Do check it and also subscribe the channel for upcoming videos.